There's Christopher on the table. Christopher, what are you doing?
Is he like quiet?
And there's John. He's on the sofa.
Don't talk!
And there's Mita Mumu. She's sucking her 2 fingers. Princess Mita.
Ever heard of a party?
Christopher. Yeah, Christopher, you're reading books? Huh? You like to be on the table?
If you think of it in the next 30 seconds, let me know.
Huh? Yeah. Is that the cricket book? Press the button. Yeah. Today is July 26th, 1996, the day before Daddy's birthday. Daddy's going to be 39 tomorrow. The big 3-9. Huh?
I thought that was it for both of us.
This is the summer of 96. John and Nicole on the sofa. What, Christopher? Hello, Christopher. Press the button. Press the button. Yeah. Press the button. You like books, huh? What's that noise? Is that the cricket?
Well, this.
Is that the cricket book? Yeah.
A grenade to blow the doors out.
Don't tear it up. Yeah. Oh, you're such a ham. Don't bite the book. Put the book down. Don't bite it.
Well, look,
No.
I gotta meet Willis at the lab.
Christopher's cutting all of his molars right now, and he's a pill.
I'll be back, all right?
He's very fussy.
Want me to show them to you?
Yeah, the molars?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wait a minute, MacGyver.
Nicole's going to be our little hygienist. She's going to show you the molars.
Dropping this off at the
In
foundation.
the meantime, Christopher has a fit.
What is it?
I can't see, Nicole. Your hair's in the way.
My resignation.
What's she doing to him, Christopher? Don't, Nicole. You're being too rough. No, okay, Nicole. He doesn't like that. You're being too rough. You almost poked his eye out. Get down, Christopher. Good boy. Here's Christopher. Today is August the 25th, 1996. Christopher just woke up from a nap. He's crabby. And Nicole got a new bouncy ball.
And a butterfly.
Come here, Christopher.
Hi.
Come on. Come on, Christopher. Show us how you can walk. Okay. Fly yesterday.
Yeah, but it died. And it was black and yellow, and its name is Starlight.
It was black and yellow. It was a monarch butterfly. Is that what they call it? And you named him what? Starlight?
And if you want to see him, he's open.
Where's the go-go, Christopher? Where's the go-go? Oh. I can't see. What happened? Be careful, Nicole. How? Nicole. Watch out, Nicole. The battery isn't working very good. Play with Christopher. Oops, bopped him off the head. Go get it, Christopher. Go get it.
Don't sing Christopher that way. That is wrong.
Have him go down the slide. Come on down the slide, Christopher. Go down the slide. Nicole, just let him go. Let him go, Nicole. Nicole, let him go. Just let him do it himself. Don't even go up there.
Mom, I'm finished. Bye.
Go up there, Christopher. Huh? Go up there. Where you going? Where'd you go? There you are. And don't think about it, Christopher. You're not going to touch the dog food. Go up on your slide. Come on.